Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost Poriyal. This delightful side dish is known for its subtle flavors and light appearance, making it a unique addition to any meal. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients, focusing on fresh vegetables and aromatic spices. You will need about 1 cup of white pumpkin or cauliflower, along with grated coconut and a few green chilies for a gentle kick. Let's get cooking. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's begin the preparation. First, gently steam your chosen vegetable, either white pumpkin or cauliflower, until it becomes perfectly tender. While that is steaming, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is warm, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them pop. Immediately follow with 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal, stirring until it turns a lovely golden brown. With our tempering ready, it is time to infuse more flavor into our Poriyal. Add the 2 slit green chilies and a handful of fresh curry leaves to the pan, sautéing them for about 30 seconds until their aroma fills your kitchen. Next, carefully introduce the steamed white pumpkin or cauliflower. Stir everything together thoroughly, making sure the subtle spices are evenly distributed throughout the vegetables. This step is crucial for a balanced taste. For the final flourish, gently fold in the 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. Continue to cook the Poriyal for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, always taste and adjust the salt to your preference, ensuring a perfectly seasoned dish. Your light and flavorful ghost Poriyal is now ready to be enjoyed warm, making a fantastic accompaniment to rice or roti. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.